How to connect Shopify with Printful. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect Printful with Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to have to create an account on both of these two websites. So I'm going to be using a temporary email address to create an account. So first create an account on Shopify, and then I'll show you how you can create an account on Printful as well. So on Shopify, just simply come over here and paste your email address over here and click on start your free trial. And then what you'll do is just, answer some of these questions like, what best describes you if you want to help them get to know you better. But you can also skip these questions as well. It all depends on you. I'm also going to skip these questions for now. And then over here, I'll enter in my store name. So I particularly don't have any name, so I'll just use this one, Roy G, which is like the first couple of letters for my email address. And click on next, click on select country/region. Once you've done that, just simply click on continue and then continue with email address. And over here, just it'll automatically enter in the email address that you put, and then just enter in the password that you want. So I'll just enter in a password, and then I'll just simply click on create Shopify account, and then it's going to build my store, and in a couple of seconds it's going to be ready for me to use. So as you can see right here, this is how it looks like. My store has now been created. I can go ahead and start importing different products over here and start running my business. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a Printful account. So creating a Printful account is also very easy and very similar as well. It's a little bit different, but it's pretty easy as well. So over here, we just simply come over here and click on the sign up button at the top. And over here, we can go ahead and sign up with either Facebook, Google, or our Apple Store, or we can even continue with our email address. So I'm going to continue with email over here, and I'll enter in my full name over here. I'll just simply enter in John Doe, and I'll enter in the email address that we have, the fake email address, and then I'll just set the password, agree to their terms and services, and click on sign up. And over here, what would you like to do with Printful? Grow my existing online business, start my first online business, and stuff like that, right? So I'm just simply going to choose, I'm just playing around, and click on finish. And over here, we just simply have to confirm our email address that they've sent us over here. As you can see, this is the email address, and I'll just simply click on confirm email address. It's going to confirm it, reopen the page over here in another tab. As you can see, email confirmed successfully. Now that we have ourselves a store, our Printful account is ready and our Shopify account is also ready. Now what we'll do is come over here onto the left side, we'll click on stores, and over here they're going to ask us to connect or create an online existing store by choosing a platform right here, as you can see. So over here you can create one yourself, or you can choose a store's platform. So we'll click on choose platform, and over here you will see you have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix. You have all the big ones over here, all the popular stores, platforms that you can connect to, and just simply click on the connect button over here on whichever store you want, and you're good to go. So over here, create a Shopify account. Number 2, install Printful app on Shopify, and click on, and third step is to connect your store and add your product, right? So first things first, we need to create our store. We've already added that or created that. Now step number 2 is to install the Printful app. So what we'll do is come back to our store, and over here onto the left side, we'll click on add apps. And over here, as you can see, we already have Printful available to us. But if you don't have it available, what you can do is just simply click on the Shopify app store right here, and it's going to take you over to the app store where you will see a bunch of different applications that you can use on Shopify. And over here, just simply search for an app, let's say Printful. I mean, if you don't see it over here, you can just simply search for it. It'll pop up right here, and just simply click on Printful, and then just simply click on add app right here onto this button, and it'll take you over here, and then just simply click on install app. Give it a couple of seconds, and then the application will be installed. Now it's asking you to connect to the Printful store, and if you already have your account, continue with the account right here. So I already have an account, so I'll just simply click on the sign in button, and over here this is my account, and I'll just simply click on sign in, and over here connect store to this store right here, to this email. So I'll just simply click on the button, and now boom, we're good to go. So now we have our store ready. Now all that's left for us to do is to add our product to this store. So just simply click on add product, and then you can go ahead and choose any product you want or create a product that you have, and then you can start importing them within your Shopify store. So now you can go ahead and sell your Printful items onto Shopify or your Shopify items over here onto Printful. Pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead and create a product. So now over here, you will have new products, my product template, and warehouse items, right? If you click on warehouse item, you will see you have no items. And if you have my product template, you will have no template. So let's go ahead and click on warehouse items and click on add product, right? It's gonna leave this side where you can't add products, but yeah, I would recommend creating a template. That's much more easier. So let's go ahead and create a template. We'll click on leave so that we can leave that place, and over here we just simply create our first template. Now what this does is, once you've created a template, you can apply that template onto a bunch of different applications as well. And then once you've created a template, you can apply that template onto different products, so you don't have to go ahead and manually import that every single time. So over here, we'll go ahead and create a template. We'll click on create new, and over here we'll just simply choose the product that we want to create a template on. So let's choose men's clothing, and over here all men's clothing or all t-shirts or a specific type of product you want. Let's go with all men's clothing right here. This template is going to be applied to every single piece of clothes that they have available for men. So over here, these are like suggestions that you want. So let's go with this shirt. I really like this one. And over here, you can just simply go ahead and add your design over here. So this is your product. Over here, you will have your design. So you can add clip arts, quick designs, choose a file you want to upload, or anyway. So let's go ahead and click on design and click on choose product. And over here, you will have different types of product as well. They're showing you embroidery and character and all of that good stuff. So let's just go ahead and accept. And over here, we'll just upload a new file. I accept. So this is the design that I have right here. So it's uploading right here. Once it's 100%, we should be good to go. So as you can see, it's uploading. Give it a couple of seconds for it to be uploaded, and then we can go ahead and apply this design over onto our t-shirt. So this is the design. We'll just simply click on apply, give it a couple of seconds, and boom, here we go. Then all that's left for us to do is we can go ahead and make the design bigger, smaller, however we want. So I feel like a little, this is perfect. This is pretty good. Then we can go with a simple one, or we can go with a different type of design as well. So this is flat embroidery. So this is the embroidery type, right? So as you can see, this is how it looks like once it's embroidered. Okay, when I zoom in, it doesn't look like that, but give it a couple of seconds and it'll change its look. There you go. This is how it's going to look like once it's embroidered. So yeah, then all that's left for you to do is just simply click on continue. You can add different sizes as well. So I'll just say small, medium, large, and extra large, not double XL. I don't know why, but then you're good to go. Your product template has been created, and then you can click on add to store over here, and then this is the product you want to add. So you can go ahead and proceed to mockups, and then over here you choose the mockups you want, right? So men's over here, for women's, men's mockup too. It all depends on you. So I'll just say flat mockups and click on proceed to pricing or details over here. And over here, you can detail the product. You can add description, product name, title, and all of that. And then you can proceed to pricing. And then over here, you can add the pricing of the product as well. Then you just simply click on submit to store, give it a couple of seconds, and the product is going to be added to your store. So currently, as you can see, adding new product to store. And let's go ahead and take a look at our store. Click on product over here. As you can see, this is the product that we have, and it works 100%. So this is the product right here that we are importing from Printful. So this is how it works. That's how you connect Shopify to Printful. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.